folder right here. The size of this one is 100 gigabytes. It's doing right here. It's doing try to do this one. All right, look like something's going wrong on this one. Good morning everyone. So today I'm going to show you how I'm going to learn Golang. Golang is one of the checklists that I wanted to complete within this year 2024, and today is a good day to learn Go. So let me show you what I'm going to do with it. Alright, so my plan to learn Go, I'm gonna do this one. So if you look at this folder right here, the size of this one is 100 gigabyte, and all this folder I'm just using it for code. Most of the code's actually nodes module, and if you look at the duration of this one, it's just I created last year. So in just 1 year, like all of those node module combination is like 100 gigabyte. So that's ridiculous. So I'm going to use Go to find all the nodes module in my computer and try to delete it. I know there's like a better way to do it, maybe using some other script or other things, but I wanted to use Go since I wanted to learn Go as well. And so right now let's see the result if I can do it or not. And I never run Go before, so right now I'm going to create a checklist, the thing all I need to do. And so yeah, let's go. Alright, so I have my script right here. I think mainly just from GPT, but I'm trying to understand. It's actually really easy to understand as well. So right now my script is to walk through all of the paths that I've given, and then it try to find a nodes module. So we can run it together. So let's see the result. So as you can see, it's doing right here. It's doing try to do this one. But right now we have one of the biggest problem, which is the node module. It's trying to find node module, but inside those node module there's a folder, and then inside that folder it has a node module as well. So right now I need to restrict only to find the first node module and delete it. There's no need to walk through again to inside those node module again. So that's my plan, and right now it's going in the good progress. So let's go. Let's keep going. Alright, so I think I finished the scripts. Probably not me alone, it's like me and GPT. I think most of the script right here, but I'm trying to understand the code. It's really nice with Go. So right now let's try to run the script again and see if it's working or not. So right here I have my PWD. So I'm gonna copy the path right here. I'm gonna paste the full path right here. And right now, hopefully this is gonna go well. All right, so we're gonna run the script together and see what happens. Alright, look like something's going wrong on this one. There's like a bunch of errors showing up, and I'm not really sure what happened. So right now let's see, it actually deletes or not. Actually it's deleting. So if you look at the size of right now, it's result only 97 gigabyte. So it's actually delete, but I'm not sure why I have this error, but the deletion is complete. I hope it's not deleting all of my code as well. Alright, let's see about this one, and let's try to fix this error. Alright, so right now I changed the script. So instead of using OS or remove all, I'm using Go to execute the command ORM and ORF instead. So as you can see right here, and also right now I also adding the command line accepts the path as well. So right now let's try to run it again. I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna copy my path and then I paste it right here. I think one problem that could go wrong with this one is just gonna be the permissions to run the ORM or ref. Hopefully this is gonna be fine. So as you can see right here, but right now let's try to run this one. Alright, look like we have some error going on. Look like it's doing this one and then documents. Okay, let's do this one. Let's try to run it again. Alright, so it looked like it's okay, but it looked like there's some file, there's something wrong with this one as well. Like actually like the folder is successfully deleted, but there's no such file directory. I'm not sure, like I need to take a look at this file inside it as well, but most of the content that inside is actually deleted. And yeah, there's one more bug that we need to fix, which is this one right here, in case if you want, as you wonder, like this one right here. All right, so let's try and fix this one. Alright, so I find the problem with the bug. So the problem is like when I put the return right here in the error, so this is before. So before I put it like something here, so I need just to put it out, because when you find the nodes module and you find the folder to delete, you just skip the directory and then move on to the next one. So right now when I move this one again, so it worked. So right now let's test again with the big folder, and I hope this is going to work. Alright. Okay, so it's running right now. This is a big folder as well. I'm not sure. Let's see what's gonna happen, and I will update you the result, and we're gonna see if it's going to crash or error or not. Alright, so the deletion is complete, but some of the folder is error. I'm not really sure why as well. So you can see right here we have error, but most of them is successfully. So right now if we take a look at the space left, so right now as you can see it's only 38 gigabytes. So I save a ton, like 62 gigabytes. So I think that's a good success. And so yeah, I'm having fun learning Go, and I wanted to do more things as well. I think this is the best way to learn something. So you just use it to solve some problem. That's what I'm doing right here. Maybe I will find a more use case to do more with Go, probably like build some backend and things like that. I'm not sure as well. So if you have any suggestion to do with Go, maybe drop it down in the comments. So yeah, all of this source code I'm gonna share it on my GitHub in case if you wanted to run it to clear your node module as well. I'm sure that there's a better way to delete the node module, maybe just run the command. But yeah, that's how I'm doing it. So hopefully you like this one. See you in the next video. Peace.